Hi guys, I know you can't see me right now. I just have it on my computer screen view. But I want to let you guys know that there's been a few changes. Like I said, Mrs. Rasmussen and I did our very best to get things ready to go last week for you. And I'm finding that I made errors and that I'm still making changes. So what I want you to know is the paper copies that you got home with the lesson plans, you can go by that, but the most updated and the most recent lesson plans are right here in our science section. Remember, it's all in our science section. On our pacing guide lesson plans, if you click on that, it's going to take you to week 1 and week 2 information. Now, the error that I made, if you didn't notice, is in week 1, Mrs. Hoffmeister had Friday as a school day. And if you look at my lesson plans, there was no school scheduled for Friday. So I had to bump everything back and make some adjustments. So, like I said, if you're going to look at lesson plans, this is the best place to do it. It takes you straight to my lesson plans. It's that pacing guide / lesson plans. That's where I will upload everything that you will need. Remember, again, there's room for questions and comments that your student can go on and you can help them type in if there's any questions that you have, or there's always Remind. Now, something that you might notice that's a little bit different that wasn't here on the first video is I have uploaded the packet that we sent home with your student. And so the document is now here online. If you have any questions, I don't know if you need it there, but it is there for you to access. Same with the math. I added our math workbook on here also. So there it is for you if you need it. I don't think you will, but I went ahead and put it there anyway. One more change that I've made to my page is if you go, let's say we're going into reading. It's time for reading class. Today is, let's say it's Monday, March 23rd. I added a schedule link. I broke apart the lesson plans into daily spots, daily lessons. So this is the exact same thing that is on the paper copy and in my lesson plans, but it's right there for you too. Like I said, I wanted to make this as easy as possible for you. And so I did that in each subject area. So there's a schedule and then there's the links that you will need. If there's nothing there for that day, then you don't need to worry about it. But I might just go ahead and put that day in there anyway with the schedule. So then you can see that there might not be anything that you need on Schoology. It might just be everything in your packet for you. So I'm super excited. I'm ready to get this going, and if you have any questions, please, please, please let us know.